Actually, the fees is more than that. We have to pay rents, bills, everything will be there. So I don't think it's enough.
I mean, 2.5 lakhs would just be enough for your petrol for your bike. That's it. So that's
Who would accept that 2.5 lakh? 2.5 LPA is too less.
It's just ridiculous.
What's the average salary that a BE pass out can expect from an IT company? Let's say somewhere between 3.5 lakh per annum to 4.5 lakh per annum. This American-based IT company named Cognizant is getting trolled on social media for the salary package that they are offering for 2024 batch. Guess what's the package? It's 2.5 lakh per annum. That's literally 21,000 per month. This is two without deduction. The post quickly went viral and sparked concerns among the netizens, and the idea of investing lakhs of rupees on education only to end up with salaries that barely allows the individual to survive, and how encouraging is this? And what's the ideal package that a newbie can expect? And let's see what the Bengalurians, especially the college students, have to say about this move. Will they accept the offer if they are paid just 2.5 lakh per annum? Let's see. So what's the basic salary you guys are expecting?
Yeah, above 7 easily.
7 easily.
Around 8 to 10.
70 to 80k per month.
Like a 15 lakh package.
So it's not like a particular amount. It's like we can just handle our expenditure. Yeah. Minimum 24 lakhs per annum.
not about salary, it's about what I get, like according to passion.
From college, as per we are told, the average salary is 8 LPA. And for CS, I think
Up to 15?
Even if I get a 10 LPA job, it's gonna be good.
I'm looking forward to, do my master's after this. So I'm not expecting anything.
Anything that affords a beer in Bangalore is fine for me.
This American-based IT company is offering 2.5 lakh per annum for 20. Sorry? Yeah, Cognizant, correct. For 2024 batch students. Will you accept this offer if you get a chance?
Obviously not.
No, I won't.
No, I won't. I'm paying around 20 lakhs over here, so why should I accept 2.5 lakh job?
who would accept that 2.5 lakh? 2 or 2.5 lakh? Even,
Better I
even
go
3
to
lakhs,
the
it's not good.
Nobody won't accept it. Like basic salary is around like 8 LP in our college, so why would we accept like 2.5?
I think it's outrageous. The amount of work we put in, I don't think 2.5 is underpayment. Right?
I won't take this.
I'll look into it. It's a good deal.
Okay. Do you think you can survive with just 2.5 lakh in metropolitan cities?
I don't think so, to be honest. Not in today's lifestyle.
But you still accept the offer if it's a good role.
It might be if it's leading to the growth of my career, then I would choose it.
We can't survive with that salary.
2.5 LPA is too less when we talk about cities, especially a place like Bangalore. If it was some other place, then yeah, 2.5 maybe, but also a maybe.
Absolutely not.
I mean, 2.5 lakhs would just be enough for your petrol for your bike. That's it. So that's obviously not enough.
I feel if I have to stay in Bangalore, 2.5 LPA is pretty less. It's equivalent to Chanda, I would say.
I mean, the company should, look into itself and see what it's actually offering. Like 2.5 is nothing. That too per annum. It's not even like close to, what you need to, really live a comfortable life in Bangalore.
Can't sustain in 2.5 LPA in Bangalore, that's for sure.
Now, being a student, we are getting paid 5-6k per month, and still now it is not enough for us. I mean, in Bangalore, I don't think it will be enough like 2.5 lakh when you are incoming. I mean, we have to pay rents, bills, everything will be there. So I don't think it's enough.
And what do you have to say about this American-based company that is paying just 2.5 lakh for the students?
Underpaying very much.
It's very low.
It's just ridiculous. I mean, the fact that the company is offering 2.5 LPA sounds ridiculous in the first place.
Actually, the fees is more than that. Every year, fees is approx 2.5 lakhs. So paying the amount that you're earning is not enough.
2.5 is really not enough, and the decent amount would be somewhere around like 25 plus, because to survive in a city like this, and also like as time passes, like we'll be placed in 2027 or 28, so like 25 is very basic at that point of time. Like if we don't have 25 per year, then I don't really think we can fulfill all our dreams. We just have to get compromised each and every place. Yeah.
I think it's a douchey move, according to me. I wouldn't support it.
This is what the future engineers had to say about getting paid 2.5 LPA per annum. They claim this is ridiculous and is not sufficient to survive in metropolitan cities like Bengaluru. So what do you think? Do you think 2.5 LPA is enough to survive in metropolitan cities? Let us know in the comments below. And this is Madhumita with camera person Mandira. You're watching India Today So South.